Good afternoon, Auto Bunkers here. So this is a 2014 Amarok. So after the 14, they changed EGR valve systems. So the valve and cooler, they are same unit. So which is before like 2013. So from 2011 to 2013 they separate. So coolers are here, and then valves, EGR valves are on that side. CA engine. Anyway, it's the same 4-cylinder, but this one gets here. So the problem is, so I've seen this one a lot. Like this is not the common issue, but like it's quite common on that, because see, this one's actually snapped, EGR pipe, because on an EGR cooler, they have a 5 the bolt you have to put it in. So one from the cylinder block. So well, if people replace this one, and then without replacing a turbo, without removing the turbo, it's really hard to get to, but I really managed to get in there. But these ones, so just because of the hard to get into the bolt on the cylinder block, that's why people sometimes they don't only put 1 or 2 bolts, and then the engine gets vibration in it, and then that tend to snap this one. So so make sure put the bolts all put it in, or put all the bracket bolts on the when you're finishing your job. So maybe 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the bolt brackets are on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you make sure, but see, because of these, and then there is another pipe, so that's what I really had to get to those bolts. But I managed to fit it, but you know, have to be tightened down, otherwise after 6 months fitment on this one, and then it'll crack this. And then this one's really expensive too, like Volkswagen quoted me on 260 for only the pipe. But yeah, see that one? Yeah, so make sure you try to order that bolts on EGRs. I always replace it in the same tone, and then that's easier. The cat come by the gasket as well, and then another pipe at the back of it, and then the other 2 gaskets. So thanks for watching, guys, and then see you next time. Bye.